Hello, welcome back to my channel. Recently I moved into a different home and this home got a lot of stuff to do. As you can see, today we will be doing the stairs. What is special in this video is I will not be using the regular carpet. I am going to use the toilet or bathroom rugs which I found on the application named Temu. You can find the exact things on AliExpress or Shein. Then I ordered 13 of them and it arrived after a week. We know the regular carpet needs an underlay, but this rug is memory foam and it is really thick, so I don't need to use the underlay and I can save the money until I change this carpet. Maybe I'm gonna use it for a couple of years. I'm not sure. Once I removed the old carpet, my stairs were full of old staple pins and I had to remove it one by one. It took me a while, but I enjoy doing this kind of work, so it was not that hard. That's all the staple pins I removed from the stairs. Then I give it a quick sanding to remove all that staple pin holes and things. Then I give it a quick cleaning. Then I arrange each rug to see how it is going to be. The rugs were around 2 centimeters shorter than the length of the stairs. The rugs were 2 centimeters shorter than the width of the stairs, but I managed to stretch it and staple it side to side. The total cost for all these rugs to cover the entire stairs was around £20. It is around $25 as per today's rate. Initially, it was a bit hard to stretch it and staple it, but after I had done 2 or 3 of them, it was quite easy because I had never done such a work before, but I managed to finish it in around an hour. I really hope it will help some of you out there struggling with budget plans. And usually it is around 13 stairs in the UK and it can cost more than £300 on an average budget. Here I done it with just £20 and I saved quite a lot of money for a couple of years or more. This is the final look after I completed, and it looks much better than what I thought at first. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and so you can subscribe to my channel for watching this kind of videos.